Welcome to qnawire.
A recent survey said that 21% of Americans watch fireworks on TV on July 4th. So we take a random sample of 1,000 people, and we want to determine the mean, the variance, and the standard deviation. So to find the mean, we have to do n times p. For this problem, n is 1,000 because that's how many people were selected. And the survey said that 21% of Americans will watch fireworks on TV. So to find the mean, you do 1,000 times 0.21. which is 210 people. To find the variance, you do n times p times q. And to find the q, you do 1 minus 0.21, which is 0.79. So 1,000 times 0.21 times 0.79 is 165.9 people. That is the variance. And to find the standard deviation, we take the square root of the variance, which was n times p times q. So for this example, 165.9, when we take the square root of that, we get about 12.9 people. We could call 13 people.